Hi, so this question is construct a rectangle. So basically, you need to follow these three constraints. One is the area has to be the same, and the other one is the width has to be what? Less than equal to the L. So L has to be greater equal to W, right? And the difference between L and W has to be what? As small as possible, right? So imagine area 4 equal to what? 1 times 4, or 2 times 2, or 4 times 1. So 4 times 1 and 1 plus 1 times 4 are not the smallest combination. So 2 and 2 is the smallest one. So what you need to do is actually just, this is a pure math. So you just increment your W starting from 1. And then you want to satisfy this constraint L greater or equal to W. And once you find it, and then the target area is actually equal to the same, then you just update the area result, and then you return this. Alright, so 37 is a tricky one because it's a prime number. So without looking for prime number, we can actually just do the math, basically. So let's start coding. So I'm going to say in area, L equal to area. So starting from area, and then W equal to 1. And in order to fulfill the condition, it's going to be L greater or equal to W. And then if the area is actually equal to the L times W, so which is the perfect, the perfect number. So I'm going to store into the result in array, size of 2. So result equal to new in 2. But in this case, I'm not going to reinitialize again. I'm going to say L comma W. Alright, every single iteration, I started from 1, right? I will increment my W. Then my L get affected by W, right? So it's going to be area divided by W. Then when I have the result, so this will definitely find one of the solution. You will definitely find 1 times area, right? 1 times area is actually equal to area. So there's at least one solution for sure. So what you need to do is just run it and then submit. Alright, so this will be the the solution. So the space, I would say constant. The time will basically, I would say, depending on W and also the constraint, right? So I would say it's going to be log of area, because we increment by W and then based on the area variable. So this will be log of area. Alright. So this will be one of the solution. The other one is using the math square root. So basically, we definitely can tell like W can be math. Okay, so it has to be int, convert to int. Math as square root of area. So the maximum value for W is what? Is a square root of area, right? The maximum. So if the area does not, mod by W does not equal to 0, I will just decrement the W. So I started from the largest value from W and decrement until one of these survive, right? So you're going to return this. So once I get a W, I will get a L, right? So L will represent area divided by W, and then I will just say W over here. So yeah, this will be a little bit quicker, I believe. So since you're starting from the square root of area and then you decrement 1 by 1 based on W, right? So time and space are going to be the same. I think this is all of so you square root, right? You already take it to the halves, and then so it's going to be log of area, and then the space is going to be constant. Alright, so if you have question, leave a comment, and I'll see you later. Bye.